Welcome to another myForest tutorial. In this video, you will learn what labels are and how to use them. When you create a new compartment, you are able to provide a name and/or number. When you create a new subcompartment, you're able to provide a name and/or letter. When you create a new feature, you're able to provide a name. As you add mapping to each of these items, labels will appear on your live view mapping, highlighting the name and letter or number where appropriate. This enables you to quickly identify each compartment, subcompartment, and feature that you've added and mapped. As you continue mapping your site, you may wish to turn these labels on or off for either all compartments and/or all features. You can do this by clicking the label button on the right-hand side of the relevant section. You may also wish to turn on or off labels for individual items. You can do this by clicking on the Options button on the right-hand side of the relevant item and selecting the Show Hide Label option. To move any given label to a more desirable location, firstly click on the Options button for the relevant individual item. From the drop-down menu, select the Edit Mapping option. From here, you are able to move the item label by clicking, dragging, and dropping the label head to the desired location. To save this label edit, click the green Save button. Labels within PDF maps are covered in a separate video.